Hey Rebecca, I just wanted to make you a quick tutorial and show you how to redeem your rewards points and check your rewards points total. So if you just go to our website, up in the top right you'll see where it says My Account. Go ahead and click on that, sign in to your customer account here. And once you're signed in, look down on the bottom right hand side of the screen. You'll see the rewards button here with a little present icon. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll pop up a little window here that shows you your total points. So you see here I have 300 points, and if you scroll down here you'll see the All Rewards button here. If you click on that, it will show you all the different types of rewards that you can redeem. So I have 3,000 points, and a $20 off coupon costs 2,000 points. So I can click the redeem button here. Then it generates a coupon code that you can use in your shopping cart. You can either click the copy button here, it'll automatically copy the code, and you can paste it in later into the coupon section of the shopping cart. Or if you're ready to go ahead and purchase, you can click apply code, and it'll go ahead and automatically apply the code to your shopping cart. So if I select a tea, and I go ahead and add it to my cart, click my cart here. So it doesn't show the reward yet. When you click checkout, that's when it automatically applies the code, as you can see here. So we see 46.80 was my subtotal, and it's applied the discount code for $20 off, and my total is 28.67. So if we go back to the rewards system here, we can see now I have 1,000 points because I've turned 2,000 points into a $20 off coupon. But let's say I don't use it. Let's say I decide I'm not going to use the $20 off coupon today. Well, if you scroll all the way to the bottom here, you can show your current rewards. So you see it says I have 3 rewards available. I can click here, and here's all the coupons that I have available to me that I can still use, where I've redeemed the points and created the coupon, but I haven't used the coupon yet. So you can click on the coupon here, and you can either copy this code and paste it into the coupon window later in the shopping cart, or you can go ahead and click apply code, and it'll apply it to the shopping cart like before. So this is how to use our rewards point system. It shows you different ways that you can earn rewards. Like you get 300 points for your birthday if you enter your birthday into our system, or you get 10 points for every $1 spent. And of course, when you first sign up, you get 100 points automatically. You can also refer a friend using your referral code, which is here. So if you were to copy this link here and post it on your Facebook or Twitter, and someone would click on that link and then purchase, then your friend would get a $5 off coupon, and you would get a coupon as well. So I hope this explains it well enough for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and we thank you.